How's it, guys? Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna share with you how to make Amapiano type beat from not from scratch, but the way I do. So without further ado, let me play the beat first, then I will explain how I made this fire beat. Let's listen to the beat. Okay, so now let's go to the tutorial. The first thing, like always, I've set the BPM to 112. So now let me solo the instruments. The first one, I'm using this Waves Codec Stereo. Okay, I'm using this preset classic trance black. Okay, then I've played this. Maybe this is a, I don't know if it's a progression, chord progression, something like that, but let's listen. Okay, very easy. The next one, I'm using again the same plugin. This time I'm using this angelic preset. Okay, then I've played these chords. Let's listen how it sounds. I'm using the same chords, okay, as you can see. Okay, let's listen how they sound together. Sorry, let me put way. Okay. Okay, next one, I'm using again the same plugin. This wave is codecs. I'm using this Amapiano preset. Then I've played these sustained notes. This is a C, it's a C sharp. Okay, let's listen how it sounds. Okay, the next one, I'm using again the same plugin. This time I'm using this glass organ. Okay, let's listen how it sounds. I've played this melody, this basic melody. It's just repeating over and over. Okay, the next one, again the same plugin. Now I'm using this, the same preset but different melody. I just changed a little bit, so let's listen how it sounds. Okay, let's listen how it sounds. All the melodies together. Okay, now let's go to the log drum. I've tweaked a little bit, so as you can see, just copy the settings. If you want to use this preset, I'll play this bounce. Let me play it. Okay. Okay, the next one, another log drum. As you can see, I didn't tweak anything, and I've played this bounce. Oh, sorry, let me play for. Okay, let's listen now the log drum sound together. Then let's go to drums. I'm using this dope from UGM. Okay, sorry, it's a UGM. Then I've played, what's this? Let me see. This is an open head. Let me play it. The next one, I'm using again the same plugin for this. I think this is a shakers. Okay, I'm using this raw real preset. Then I've played this. Very basic. The next one, I'm using this preset. Let me show you this one. This is lo-fi. Then I've played this. Okay, then now the snare. Okay, the snare, I'm using this preset, as you can see. Then I've played this. Okay, that's it for the beat, guys. Let me play the beat once again. Then that's it for the tutorial. If you like this video, just consider subscribe, and you can share the video and click the notification bell so that you don't lose any of my next content. Peace. See you on my next tutorial.